This is how to change a keyboard on iPhone. Right here is the regular default keyboard. If I press this little globe, this is the Gboard, Google's keyboard. The reason I like Google's keyboard is it can easily translate stuff, but most importantly, if I click on this little happy face down here, there's a GIF search, and there's thousands of GIFs. And you can just search in here for whatever reference you want for a GIF, and then it'll find GIFs that match that. You just tap on them, copies them, pastes them into here, and then send them. That's one of the reasons I like the Gboard so much. Plus, when I first got it, it was able to do this swipe action, which the Apple keyboard could not do at the time. Apple keyboard can do it now, so that's one advantage Gboard has lost. But I still like Gboard, and this is how you install it. So it's an App Store app. You have to go into the App Store. This is how you get other keyboards as well, by the way. Gboard is just one of them. So you search for Gboard. Even though I spelt it wrong, it's still here. So I have it installed already. Yours will say get, and mine says open. So then to confirm it's on your phone, you can just search for it. You got to make sure it's completely installed before you do the next step. So there it is. If it wasn't installed, it'd be grayed out and have a little clock-like display on there where it swipes, the colored area swipes around in a clockwise direction until there's a full circle, and then it's installed. But if it looks like a clean app like this, then it's done. So once that's done, open any message thread, tap and hold on this globe down here, and you can pick different keyboards. And you go to keyboard settings. This is where you want to go first. Tap on keyboards at the top, and now we have Gboard here. If Gboard was not yet added yet, there'd be a third-party keyboard or add third-party keyboard link, and you can add Gboard. You can also add other keyboards for different languages. There's lots of different options. I'm sure since Apple wants to sell iPhones everywhere in the world, I'm sure they have every kind of language and keyboard and symbol you could imagine available to you. And if you tap on Gboard, if you want to allow full access, which means it's able to do all the things like find your pictures so you can import them, stuff like that, you can allow full access here. I've clearly allowed full access for mine. And sometimes when I open messages, it defaults to the Apple keyboard. Then I just tap this globe and it goes back to the Google keyboard. And then I have access to GIFs, plus other stuff. There's various stickers and ASCII characters. And then the Apple keyboard just has these emojis. So the Google keyboard provides a lot more stuff. Anyway, that's all there is to it. If you got value from this video, make sure you like and subscribe to let me know. Then check out this video right here, which shows you how to empty the trash can on your iPhone. If you haven't done that before or haven't done it recently, you should do it again. So check out that video and I'll see you there.